Kelleveld House by MAMOUT Stéphanie Willocx in Hoeilaart, Belgium. The house is part of an ensemble of 3 pavilions designed in 1962 by architect Loze, for a group of musicians. Originally intended for the mezzo-soprano Christiane Van Acker, the house was conceived as a glazed cabin nestled in nature. Successive owners have gradually altered the building by adding elements until it is unrecognizable. The project aims to return the spirit and quality of the original house while connecting and transforming the half-buried garage into bedrooms. Parasitic elements were removed, and the vertical circulation was redefined with a stair tunnel linking the different split levels, right down to the former garage. The topography regains its original character and reinforces the coherence of the whole. The garden has been designed following the concept of a naturalist punk garden, with hundreds of plant species. It stands so close to the house that there is no barrier between inside and outside.